My name's Alexandra Reid. I'm a QA/RA specialist here at StarFish Medical. And today I wanted to share with you some ideas that I had about SOPs, otherwise known as standard operating procedures. And these are very simply just written instructions that help detail doing routine activities, repetitive tasks, and it's a recommendation and a requirement from regulatory bodies such as ISO 13485 and the FDA as well. So I'm going to give you sort of my top tips of what we try to do with our SOPs to make them easy to read, easy to follow, and easy to implement here when we're building medical devices. So the top thing is having a standard format across all the documents. So you want to have a standard place for the headers, the footers, table of contents. Next thing would be to think about the reading levels. We try to aim for about a grade 10 reading level. So the idea is that, it's not a heavy cognitive load when you're reading the instructions, because the last thing we want is a user to get stuck or skip a step because they misunderstand what the instructions are telling them to do. The other thing we'd like to do is call out any warnings or cautions in bold font, larger font, something that makes it stand out, that makes it very important to the user that that's a step that they have to pay attention to. The other thing we do with our SOPs is not only do we write several drafts, we do share them with peer review. We get people to walk through the procedure that have never done it before to see if they get stuck anywhere along the way. And then we also have our subject matter experts review them as well, because if the content isn't accurate, it doesn't matter how well written the procedure is. We do a couple of iterations of that, and then we have to validate those SOPs. So we make sure that we can go start to finish to build the medical device, and myself and quality checks it at the end before it goes out the door. Obviously, these are just a few quick tips and tricks to looking at SOPs. There is a full white paper talking about how to do SOPs for manufacturing for medical devices here on the StarFish website.